Welcome everyone. So today we are going to understand that how to solve this kind of a math puzzle where they have given us 2 plus 1 is getting you 1, 3 plus 4 gets you 8, 2 plus 3 gets you 3, 4 plus 5 gets you what? That is what you need to find. Now here I've said that 90% people fail to do it. You know why? Because majorly there were no options given. A, B, C, D. No options were given. Whenever you have an option, whenever you have at least 4 options, you know that one of them can get right. Okay, so you know what kind of area you should be looking for. But since the options were not given and you had to type in your answers, things got much trickier. Okay, so now let's understand what happens or how to solve these kind of questions when the options are not given. So here, see, we have what 2 plus 1 that gets should get you 3, but now that is not the case. We are getting it 1. 3 plus 4 gets you 7, you get an 8. 2 plus 3 gets you 5, you get a 3. So no, this doesn't make any sense. So meaning this plus symbol is just given you to confuse. Let's try and do it the other way around. Let's do 2 into 1. So you will get what? 2 into 1. Then you subtract 1. So you will get the answer as 1. Similarly, let's try for this one. We'll do 3 into 4. Then you subtract 4. So your 3 into 4 gets you 12, minus 4 gets you 8. Similarly, 2 into 3. And you subtract 3. You get the answer as 3. Because 2 into 3 gets you 6 and 6 minus 3 gets you 3. Now you have 4 into 5 minus 5. So that is what 24 minus 5. 4 into 5 is 20 minus 5 gets you 15. So answer for this puzzle is 15. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.